In the heart of digital revolution, one company is paving the way for the future, not just with cutting-edge technologies, but with a mission. This is Axia. Over here, it is not just about profit, it's about purpose, with a motor that drives every project, every partnership, and every new idea. Value-driven innovation. And that innovation has driven us over the years to create Axia Tech Challenge, an initiative aimed at creating the next generation of innovators, empowering them to think differently about technology and its role in providing solutions to the continent's needs. Each year, Axia Hub hosts a hackathon, bringing together hundreds of bright, passionate students from across the region. The goal? To challenge them to think beyond traditional limits, to create innovative solutions that could reshape industries, transform communities, and solve some of society's most pressing problems. But this isn't just about coding. It's about a holistic re-education, about building the men and women that will drive tomorrow's world, creating problem solving, collaboration, a deep understanding of technology's social and ethical impact. With the Axia Tech Challenge, we are not just looking for the fastest solution or the fanciest code. We're looking for ideas that put people first, that views the world in a new light, and that uses technology to create lasting, positive change. And while the winners earn recognition, the true victory lies in the journey itself. It's about exposure, mentorship, and the opportunity to collaborate with industry leaders who offer a real-world insight into the challenges and opportunities of today's fast-paced digital landscape. As the Axia Tech Challenge continues to grow, so too does its impact. Students who have participated in this transformative program are already making their mark, contributing to startup, pioneering new technologies, and producing solutions that change lives. And Axia Hub, we are with them every single step of the way, guiding, supporting, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. This is just the beginning. Axia Tech Challenge is a commitment to educating the innovators of tomorrow today. It's about building not just skills, but values that will drive a brighter and more sustainable future for all. Because at Axia, we don't just innovate for today, we innovate for the future.